Germany is not just open to migrants, it's actively inviting them. Every year, they want to bring in 7 lakh skilled workers to fill critical job gaps. That's not a forecast, that's a government goal. And you could be one of them. Hey, welcome to our channel. We simplify international career opportunities so that you don't just dream about working abroad, you actually do it. If Germany has ever been on your mind, this video will show you the most realistic paths to get there in 2025. Let's start with this. Germany's workforce is shrinking and aging. To sustain its economy, it needs skilled migrants urgently. In Q1 of 2025, Germany's workforce reached 45.8 million, but vacancies in healthcare, IT, engineering, and even hospitality continues to rise. And unlike before, the government is making migration easier, that is, faster visa processing, digital paperwork, and pro-migrant policies. It is not a temporary window, but a full-blown opportunity. So let's get to the first route, the Germany Opportunity Card. If you want to come to Germany for job hunting but don't already have a job offer, ये आपके लिए है. You get to enter Germany, look for a job for up to a year, and even work part-time while you're at it. काफी लोगों के लिए it's a real foot in the door. लेकिन you need to score at least 6 points to qualify. अब ये points कैसे मिलते हैं you ask? It's just like a mini game. Educational qualification gives you solid points, especially if you have got a recognized degree or vocational training. Age भी matter करता है. Young folks, especially under 35, gets extra points. So, if you're still in your 20s or early 30s, ज़्यादा chances है. German or English language proficiency can help too. If you have previously stayed in Germany for internships or studies, or if your degree is in a shortage occupation जैसे IT या healthcare, इन सब से भी points मिलते हैं. और bonus, if your spouse is also applying and meets the criteria, single extra point gets added. Total up your score, and if it's 6 or above, आप ready हो. One more thing, that is financial proof. Like around 1091 euros a month तो चाहिए, so that you can manage your expenses जब तक आप एक अच्छी job पकड़ नहीं लेते हो. And what's the scene with the EU Blue Card? अब EU Blue Card is classic. Germany के लिए नहीं, पूरे EU के लिए अप्लाई होता है. In some countries of course, but Germany does it the best. The catch? You need an actual job offer in hand. Salary भी एक minimum threshold पर होनी चाहिए. Normally it's around 45,300 euros per year and slightly less for shortage occupation. It's designed for skilled professional with a university degree. If you're eligible, you get a full-time work rights, and after working for 21 to 33 months or even faster, if your German is good, you could be heading towards permanent residency. And family को भी आप बुला सकते हो. So if you want to move with your spouse, kids or even parents, that's a massive plus. Blue card थोड़ा straightforward है. अगर job है and you meet those requirements, you're sorted. And opportunity card on the other hand is for those who don't want to wait for a job before they move. So if you need a clear path through German visa maze, Terraturn is your one-stop partner. Our expert team is right beside you, answering every question, handling the paperwork, and making sure your journey is smooth from the first step to final approval. If you are still curious about the best visa option or have a specific question, drop your doubts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.